This is how to assemble the Dinghy Rings FLEX. Insert the main pipe into the foam wheels. It's supposed to be very, very tight. And to make it easier, you can lubricate the pipe with water. Make sure the pipe is inserted all the way into the foam wheels. Attach the loop strap to the mounting eye on the pipe on each side. Grab the thin safety strap. It's a double loop. Put the end of the safety strap through the small hole on the end of the ring part and let the end go through the loop again like this. Then feed down the strap in the hole. It's supposed to go through the pipe to the other side. Finally insert the ring to push the strap all the way. Grab the other end of the safety strap and push it through the small hole on the ring and let all of the ring go through the loop like this. Now the rings are connected to one another. And you can insert the rest of the safety strap into the pipe. The short loop straps are supposed to be installed to the push bit and then connected like this. Good luck with your Dinghy Rings FLEX.